Ever pondered on the secret recipe to becoming a millionaire? Here's a hint. It's not about a sudden windfall or a lucky lottery ticket, but a series of clear, actionable steps. First, crystallize your ambitions. Sketch out a vision board or a detailed roadmap. Break these dreams down into smart objectives: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Remember, the best goals harmonize with your values and lifestyle aspirations. Budgeting is your next stop. Embrace the zero-based budgeting approach, where every dollar serves a purpose. Scrutinize your past spending habits, identify trends, and adjust your budget accordingly. Anticipate irregular but expected expenses by creating separate, sinking funds. Then it's time to save and invest. Consider tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401(k)s for added long-term benefits. Grasp the psychological aspects of investing, such as risk tolerance and behavioral biases. Dollar-cost averaging is a strategy worth contemplating to soften the blow of market volatility. Never stop learning. Delve into behavioral economics to decipher the psychology behind financial decisions. Explore advanced investment strategies such as options trading or real estate. Stay informed about changes in tax laws and financial regulations that could affect your financial strategy. Living below your means is a crucial step. Practice minimalism and intentional living. Impose a 30-day rule for significant purchases to curb impulse buying. Regularly review and eliminate subscription services that don't add significant value. Next, diversify investments. Understand how geopolitical events can impact different asset classes. Explore factor investing and how value, growth, and momentum can influence investment performance. Periodically, stress test your portfolio against various economic scenarios to ensure resilience. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Consider the opportunity cost of keeping too much cash idle. Evaluate your insurance coverage to ensure adequate protection against unforeseen events. Understand the difference between a starter emergency fund and a fully funded one, and adapt accordingly. Increasing your income is another step. Develop a personal brand to enhance professional visibility. Seek feedback, invest in skill development, and increase your market value. Consider creating multiple income streams to fortify financial stability. Debt management is vital. Prioritize high-interest debts first to optimize your repayment strategy. Negotiate with lenders for debt restructuring or interest rate reductions. Explore debt consolidation options to streamline payments and potentially lower interest rates. Finally, stay disciplined. Implement accountability measures, such as financial check-ins with a trusted friend or advisor. Develop a mindset of financial resilience, viewing setbacks as learning opportunities. Regularly reassess and refine your financial goals to ensure they remain relevant to your evolving life circumstances. To summarize, becoming a millionaire requires clear goals: budgeting, saving, investing, continuous learning, living below your means, diversifying investments, maintaining an emergency fund, increasing income, managing debt, and staying disciplined. It's a journey, not a sprint, but with perseverance and determination, the destination is within reach.